Welcome to this session on Hive LLM. Live long and process. LLM is a major performance booster in Hive, and it's crucial to understand its architecture, purpose, and benefits when preparing for interviews. LLM stands for Live Long and Process. It introduces always on demons that are ready to serve queries instantly, minimizing latencies. This makes Hive much faster and more interactive. Traditionally, Hive relies on launching container for every query, causing delay. LLM avoids this by keeping execution daemon alive, ready to run queries instantly. So let's see two columns of without LLAP, high query latency, cold containers, heavy IO, MapReduce taste-based processing. With LLAP, sub-second latencies, pre-warmed execution engine, in-memory caching, and better concurrencies. At its core, LLAP uses daemons that handles IO and execution fragments of the query. IO elevator is key. It efficiently reads ORC files and streams them into memory. When you run a query, LLAP avoids spinning up new containers. It uses pre-existing daemons to read, process, and return data quickly, all in memory. Here's a simple aggregation query. When executed with LLAP, there's no waiting for container allocation. The LLM daemons fetch the data from memory or disk and return results in milliseconds. So the query will be set hive.execution.engine equal to LLM. Select region count star from sales data group by region. The result will be in milliseconds. LLM is built for speed. Its in-memory design eliminates container delay and is perfect for dashboard and ad hoc queuing by business users. In interview, use LLM as an example when asked about high performance or BI use case. Emphasize that it brings Hive closer to real-time analytics. To summarize, LLM transforms Hive into an interactive low latency engine. It's a great addition to your Hive toolbox, especially when fast response and concurrencies are important.